What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be replacing the tail lights, the third brake light up here, and also the headlights. We have the grill off right now because we were doing the electric fan. But these are the headlights that were on this truck. We're gonna be replacing these with some clear headlights. And for the tail lights, we're gonna do the regular LEDs. Come with the plugs and all that. We got these on Amazon. I think they were like $150 for these. Then put this long jing. I don't know what it's for, but we had to replace these because these are the matching tail lights to those headlights over there with the LED strip. We didn't want that. We just wanted something more clean and simple, so we're gonna do these. And we have some Xtreme reverse bulbs. These are the bulbs that we went with from Xtreme. That's the part number. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. 3157 LED bulbs. They're white, and that's the only bulb that we need for the back. We're also gonna do the license plate lights. We're gonna do white LEDs, and then the third brake light, that's an LED thing, so we don't need that. I don't know if I have it in here. I don't know, I have it on the other box. I'll show you that right now in a bit. So for this, I think this is like an 8 or 7 millimeter. I don't know if this is the proper screws and bolts for these tail lights, but this is what comes on this truck. And there's a Phillips head screw right there. Probably gonna end up replacing that. We have removed these tail lights, and that screw seems kind of short. So I'm just gonna go ahead and probably replace it. See if it's a 7. Yeah, it's a 7 millimeter for the bottom. So since these tail lights are LEDs, they just have the plug that go right into the bulb socket. This is the reverse right here. So the new one is basically the same thing. We just gotta put that somewhere in there. I think we're gonna use that little spot right here, maybe up here, clean it up with some alcohol, and then try to double-sided tape on that. Well, it comes with some double-sided tape right there. So the bulb is gonna go on this. We plugged in the top two, and then for this one, we're gonna throw it in reverse right now. Okay, now that we know that it turns on, we're gonna put all these bulb sockets in the tail light. Like that. This is what this reverse light looks like. And then on this side, you can see it light up, but it's kind of dim. The brake light is on. The brake light is on. Brake lights are the same. Turn signal or emergency lights. See that one blinking right there. This one isn't blinking. I don't know why, but this one ain't blinking. Yeah, you can see this one blinking. You have the emergency lights on?
Yeah.
Oh. Before and after, this is the dark one. It's a nice clear one. I think it just goes a lot better with the tail lights. Now we're gonna do the headlights. So for the front, it has the lights with that LED strip. We just went back to the clear ones. I think it just looks a lot nicer. It's gonna make it pop a little more for this front end. And to remove the grill, we have the grill already removed because we're working on this. But there's a couple of clips, like one goes in here, 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 the ones that you just pop in. And there's, I think, 2 more up here somewhere. Oh, right here and here. and also up here if they're not broken. Now for this, it's 2 10mm bolts that we're gonna remove, and then the headlight should pop up and out. Okay. So with those 2 10mm removed, you just pull it forward and up, and it has these little clips down here that hold the headlight. And we're just gonna twist these bulbs out, or to the left and out. This is the high beam, and this is the regular light, the low beam. We ordered some new LED bulbs, but they're not here yet, so we're waiting on that. And then since these lights have the daylight strip or whatever, they also had to plug this extra harness in there, which we're gonna get rid of. So this is gonna be the comparison with this one and the one that we're gonna put in. It's just a lot cleaner. Same way, we're just gonna slide it in, the little pins underneath, and put the 10mm bolts and plug the bulbs back in. Before we connect the bulbs to the new headlight, we're gonna remove this plug, which was for the daylight running strip on the upper headlight. So we're gonna just cut it off and splice these back together. That way we can get this out of the way and route it nicely. I think we're gonna run it through this hole right here on the firewall, because it was just up here on the top of the headlights. From these old top headlights, we're just gonna remove the bulbs and the harness plug. Now we're gonna put it on the new one the same way. We had a little fitment issue on the other side with this bulb, the outer bulb. Now it's a little tight, and then this one went right in like that, and the harness just clips in place. We're ready to install. Come here. And then the previous owner right here, he installed a screw to hold it in place, because these are supposed to clip in on this side. They're supposed to clip in, but that clip never, I guess it never works, because on the old tail lights that we just removed, it wouldn't hold, and on these new ones it doesn't hold either. So see, it'll pop back out. So he put a screw right here in the corner just to hold the clip in place. That. Now it looks a lot cleaner. Front end. We're gonna get new lights for the low beams and also the fog lights. We're just waiting on the Amazon truck, so as soon as they get here, we'll swap them out and we'll show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. So these just came in. They are the H11s, H8, H9, H11, and H16, same thing. 6500K white. It's gonna be for the fog lights. Just gonna twist this, and the light bulb comes out and then off. Then we're just gonna unclip it from the sides, clip the new bulb. I'll show you guys. Slide the new bulb in there, twist it, and then we could just clip it back into place right there. Nothing? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's super bright. So now we're gonna do the license plate lights. It's the original yellow lights, factory lights. We have these Oxydo ones right here. These are pretty bright. We also have these cheaper ones. I think we're gonna use these. We're gonna use these for now. We also have these longer ones. I forgot what we took these off of. We're gonna try this one and this one. We want to see which one's brighter. So we're gonna go up in here, and we could feel the actual bulb housing. This part, just twist it off. Let me see if I could put the camera so you guys can see this. Okay, so we're gonna pull off the bulb. That thing broke. Something fell out. Turn the light real quick. So that's one right there. And there's this one right here. I know these are pretty bright. Oh, this one's not gonna fit. Oh yeah, it did. These are super bright. I think for now we're gonna try these right here and see how they do at nighttime. They're not that bright. Let's check out something else. We also have these. Let's see how these do. Oh, these are brighter. These are super bright. There you go, much better. So the headlights just came in. These are the ones that we're testing it with, which this one doesn't work anymore. This is what we got from Xtreme HP4 9006 or HP4. Says it on here somewhere, right there. So we're gonna throw these on. I don't know if there's a difference between this and the fog light. We hooked one up real quick just to see if it was gonna work, and it did. So I'm gonna throw this one on and I'm gonna throw on the other one, and then I'll show you guys. Well, I'll show you guys tonight because we're not gonna be able to see much right now during the day. So I'm gonna give you guys an inside shot of what it looks like from in here. That's with the lights off. That's with the lights on. I'm gonna go outside and do the same clip. Show you guys what it looks like. Oh, you're not even gonna be able to see the tail lights and the rear light, or the third brake light. That's what it's with the lights off. I'm gonna turn them on. See how much brighter. Well, I didn't show you a clip with those lights on, but they weren't bright at all. So now you can see the light. The pattern is kind of ugly though because of the way the lights are angled. You can see it on the tailgate. And then the tail lights. Once you hit the brake light, hit the brake light. Once you hit the brake light, the LED section lights up, and the third brake light as well. This thing's super bright. Put it in reverse. This is with the reverse lights on. Put it in park. Reverse. Look at that. Okay, put it in park. I'm gonna show you guys the outside view. Probably gonna install another LED bulb up there on the top headlight because it kind of looks weird like this. Those are the turn signals. We also replace them with some new bulbs. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Just some regular orange bulbs. See the tail lights light up. The LED little bulbs on the inside. That's it for the LEDs. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. We'll catch you guys on the next one.